Welcome to our channel Upscale Learning.
Hello everyone. In this class we are going to learn about additions. Adding two numbers with one another is called addition. The sum of two numbers is called addition. Adding two different numbers together is called as addition. In this chapter we are going to see single digit additions, where we are going to add single digit numbers like 4 and 2. So we are going to do 3 sets of 15 sums, 5 sets, 5 sums of 5 sums which have total of less than 5, second set of 5 sums which have total of 10, less than 10, second set of sums which have total of less than 10 as the answer, and third set of sums which have more than 10 and less than 20 as the answer. So first let us start with first sum, that is adding 4 plus 2. How to add 4 with 2? Let us keep some objects to help us add 4 plus 2. 1 and 2. Let us count all the objects together to get the total. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. So the total is 6. Let us write that down. We can also use our fingers to do the simple calculations like this. The first digit what we see is 4. Let's keep this digit in our mind, and next digit we are going to keep it in our fingers. 4 in our mind and 2 fingers. Continue count after 4. That will be 5 and 6. So the total is 6. We can also do like 4 in one hand, 2 in another hand. So total is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So again the total will be 6. Let us go to the next sum. 2 plus 3. 1, 2 and 3. Let us count all the objects. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So the total is 5. Let's write that down. You can also do using fingers. 2 in one hand and 3 in another hand. Let's fold them now. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Again the total will be 5. Next sum, 2 plus 2. 2 objects and 2 more objects for this one. So let us add all the 4 objects. 1, 2, 3, 4. The total will be 4. You can also do the same thing in the fingers. 2 plus 2 will be 1, 2, 3 and 4. It will be 4. Let's go to the next sum. 1 plus 4. 1, 2, 3 and 4. Let's count 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. So the total is 5. Let us do this using fingers. 1 plus 4. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. So the answer is 5. Let's go to the next sum. 3, 1, 2, 3, again 3. So 1, 2, and 3. Let's count all the objects. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Yes, the total is 6. Let's write that down. After, we can also do this sum with the fingers as I showed already. 3 plus 3. 3 in one hand, another 3 in another hand. So let us count the numbers now. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. So the total is 6. Let us now do the second set of sums which have value more than 5. 6 plus 2. Now how to do these kind of sums? Either you can use objects that like I showed already. Let's do the first number 6. Let us keep 6 objects. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. Alright, next number is 2. So let us keep 2 more objects. 1 and 2. Let us add all the numbers now. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So the total will be 8. Let us now do the same sum using drawing the lines. First number is 6. So we are going to draw 6 lines. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Next number is 2. So 1 and 2. Let us count all the lines together. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Yes, the answer is 8. Let's do the next sum. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Let's do the next number. 1, 2, 3. So if you add 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. So the answer is 11. Next sum. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So the answer is number 7. Let us do the next sum. 7 plus 2. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 2 more here. 1, 2. So let us count all the lines together. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 and 9. 9. So now let us see the next sum. 8 plus 2. Let us draw 8 lines. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And here it is 2. So let us draw 2 more lines. So let us count all the lines together. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. So the total is 10. Let us do the last set of series of numbers. 6 plus 5, right? So let us draw 6 lines first. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 5 in the next line. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Let us count all the lines. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. So 6 plus 5 is 11. Let us now do next sum. 9 plus 4. You can also do this sum by keeping first number in the mind. Keep 9 in the mind and keep the next digit, that is 4, in the fingers. So if you keep 9 in the mind and 4 in your fingers, you have to continue count after the 9. So that will be 10, 11, 12 and 13. So 9 plus 4 is 13. Next is 8 plus 6. Keep 8 in your mind and 6 in your fingers, and continue count after 8. That will be 9, 10, 11, 12, 13 and 14. So 8 plus 6 is 14. You can also draw lines to verify the answer. First, let's draw 8 lines. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 and 6 lines below. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Let us count all the lines together. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13 and 14. So the answer is correct. Let's go to the next sum. 5 plus 9. Let us draw 5 lines. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 9. Let us draw 9 lines. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 and 9. So let us count all the lines together. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13 and 14. So 9 plus 5 is 14. Let's go to the last sum for today. That is 6 plus 7. Right? So 6, you are going to draw 6 lines. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Next, you have to draw 7 lines. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7. So if you add 6 with 7, let's count all the lines together. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. So 6 plus 7 is 13. I hope now you know how to do single digit additions using objects, also using lines. I hope you enjoyed learning the addition of single digit numbers. For more such educational videos, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. This will encourage us to make more such videos.
Do like, subscribe to our channel and share this video with your friends. Leave your thoughts in comment section below. Thank you.